Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to start looking at some further trig results uh, for and what we call the compound angle formula. So what we're doing, we're looking at the addition of two angles and what that would give us as an expression where we can relate to the angles by themselves. So these are relationships you've got to remember. Like you like the trig relationships we've had before. We've got to remember them somehow. How you remember them is up to you. If you don't need to prove these in exams, we will prove them in class. But what we need you to do is remember these results. So the sine of x plus y, sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So you notice the sine x and cos y and cos x sine y, they swap around there with the x and the y, and it's plus. So you remember that. Sine x minus y, it's the same thing except it's a minus there. So if you remember that situation, you get the sine x cos y in both and cos x sine y, so they swap around, but the signs are the same as what we've got here. For cos of x plus y, well, I've always remembered it's the coses are always first. Doesn't matter whether it's x plus y, x minus y. We take the cos x and y first, and then the sine x sine y, and then with that, if it's cos of x plus y, it's the opposite sign, it's minus. If it's cos of x minus y, it's plus. And then tan of x plus y, now you'll get used to this formula because we'll use it in a few places in the course. So tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y over 1 minus tan x tan y. And if it's minus, the only thing it changes is other signs, so it's minus and plus there. So you've got to remember these somehow. It's up to you how you remember it. I'll try to give you a way of how I remember them, but it's going to be up to you in how you remember them. But you must commit these ones to memory and use them off by heart.